We were told that a line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1 over 7. Which of the following points lie on the line? The first thing I want to do is to find the equation of the line, and this will be the easiest approach only because it passes through the origin. And if it passes through the origin, that means one of its points is 0, 0. That means there will be no constant. This implies that there will be no constant. That means the equation should be something like ax is equal to by. This is how the equation will be. So to make it easier for us to find out which of the points given would be in this line. But from our observation, it cannot be A because we already have the point 0, 0, and it's not a curve. That means for every point in X, there must only be one point in Y, and the point 0 already have 0 attached to it. That means it cannot be 0, 7. So it's between B, C, or D. Let's solve. From the question, we know that the slope of the line M is equal to 1 over 7, and a point in the line is the origin, and the origin is 0, 0. The general form of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is a variable, x is a variable, m is the slope of the line, and c is the y-intercept of the line, or as some may call it, the constant of the equation. But in this question, there's no value for c because it passes through the origin, or rather c will be 0. So the general form for a line that passes through the origin should be ay is equal to bx, where a is going to be a constant and b is a constant, while y and x are the variables of the line. Two equations that work in line questions are y minus a point in the line y should be equal to m times x minus the corresponding value of x to that point y. All in all, y minus y1 should be equal to m times x minus x1. Or y1, that is, we are given 2 points in the line. You can find the equation by saying y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2 should be equal to m. But now that we are given 1 point and the slope, we'll use this equation. Y minus y1 should be equal to m times x minus x1. The point in the line that was given is 0, 0. That means y1 and x1 are both 0. So we have y minus 0 should be equal to m times x minus 0. So we have y should be equal to m times x because y minus 0 is y and x minus 0 is still x. So we have y is equal to mx. But our slope is given as 1 over 7. So we have y is equal to 1 over 7x. When we cross multiply or multiply both sides by 7, we can get 7y is equal to x. That means the equation of the line is 7y is equal to x. And each point in the line is represented as a Cartesian plane as x, y. And since x is equal to 7y, this will be 7y, y. So let's compare. B, 1, 7. That means x is 1. Should be equal to y is 7. 7 times 7. This is wrong. C, 7, 7. 7 should be equal to 7 times 7. This is also wrong. And D, 14, 2. 14 is x and 2 is y. So this will be 14 is equal to 7 times 2, which is correct. That means the point in the option can only be D, 14, 2. Check the description for more solution and share your own solution in the comments. Stay excited.